Hi, I'm Rachel Martiens with the Tyndall team, and we're here at our latest listing at 28211 Golden Meadow Drive in beautiful Rancho, Palos Verdes. This fabulous single-level 4-bedroom plus a bonus room home features a remodeled kitchen and 2 remodeled baths with sweeping ocean views from Catalina Island up the coast to Malibu. Thanks for visiting 28211 Golden Meadow Drive. My name is Rachel Martiens with the Tyndall team, and give us a call if you'd like to set up a private showing.